Ituro ko ngayon na song is yung I'll Be There ni Julian San Jose. Dali lang din siya. Yung chords na gagamitin natin ngayon ay medyo, same din sa I Won't Give Up. May nadagdag lang ng konti. Okay? Game. First chord is C. C, tanda mo ba yung C? Ganito. Index finger on the second string. Ba to? Second string, first fret. Ano tawag dito? Middle finger sa fourth string, second fret. And ring finger on the fifth string, third fret. Okay? C. Sira mo nga. Sira. Dapat ganyan ang tunog niya. Kalimutan ko gawin to sa I Won't Give Up eh. Sorry. Next is F. Tanda mo ba yung F? Ba C, baba mo lang yung dalawang daliri mo dito sa baba. Okay? Tandaan mo yun ha. F, C, G. G ganito. Ganyan talaga yung G. Diba ituro ko sa'yo dati dito na sa taas lang. Yun, ganito yung gagamitin natin. Okay? D. Index finger dito sa fifth string, second fret, middle finger sa third fret, sixth string. Ito, ring finger on the second string, third fret, and pinky on the first fret, third. Ano na? Mali. First string, third fret. Okay? And G. C, F, G. Intro pa lang yan ha. Dalawang beses mo ulitin yan. C, F, G. Okay? Start na. Ganun din. Ayan. First time I laid my eyes on someone like you. Ulit. I can't forget the art, that moment with you. Ulit. Then I have realized love's growing deep inside. Dun sa love's growing deep. Sa deep inside, E minor. E minor or E, ewan ko. Nilito ako dun eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano dito yung E minor or E eh. Basta may E. Ganito. Kita mo ba? Middle finger on the fifth string, second fret, and ring finger on the fourth string, second fret. Okay. Yun lang. E minor. E minor or E. Whatever. Yan. Tapos A minor. Tanda mo ba yung A minor? Ganito yun. Dito ha. Ano ba ito? First fret, second string, and middle finger on the fourth string, second fret, ring finger on the third string, second fret. A minor. Okay? Tapos D. D minor. D minor ba to? Ewan ko lang. Index finger on the first string, first fret. Ito ha. Tapos, diba mo ba? Tapos, ano to? Middle finger on the third string, second fret, and ring finger on the second string. Tapos, third string, second fret. Second string, second string, third fret. Nakakalito ah. Kita mo? Flat. 1, 3, 2. Okay? Yan, D minor. Tapos D ulit. Okay? Sulat mo yung chords ha. Yung una, C, F, G. 2 times yata yun. 2 times, C, F, G. Tapos sunod doon, C, F, G, E minor, A minor, D minor, and G. Okay. Okay? Okay, ulit. Uh, First time I laid my eyes on someone like you, I can't forget the hours, that moment with you. Tama. Then I realized love's growing, E minor, deep inside, A minor. I feel the beating of my heart. Gets? Okay, next. Chorus. Ganon din yung chords. Ganon din yung mga chords. Pero magkakaiba lang ng pagkakasunod-sunod. Okay? Una, C. 'Cause every day, every night, I keep F. Ulit. C. C. Suot mo muna yung chords. Chorus to ah. C, E minor, F, G. Tapos, E minor. Ah, wait. Tama ba? Tama. E minor, A minor, D minor, and E. E ganito. E. Ganito ah. 1, 2, 3. Wait lang. Third string, index finger on the third string, first fret, budol. Middle finger on the, fifth string, second fret. Ring finger on the fourth string, second fret, okay? Hindi ko alam kung alin dito yung, kung ito ba yung E minor, o ito yung E, o ito yung E minor, or E. Basta may E ha. Basta, ayun. Ano ba yun? Ayun. Ulit nga. Ulit to ha. Ulit. Sa chorus, ito yung chords. Sulat mo muna ha. C, E minor, wait, E minor, ulit. C, E minor, F, G. E minor, A minor, D minor, and E. E ha, tanda mo yung E ha. Di ba yung E minor na sinabi ko kanina? Dalagyan mo lang ng, dadagdag mo lang yung index finger mo dito sa third string, okay? Tapos, A minor, G, D minor, E minor, F, E minor, D minor, G, and C. Dami, di ba? Kaya, isulat mo muna yun. Okay. Tapos, try natin tugtugin. Kasi siya, medyo pausa ko eh. Game. Chorus. 'Cause every day, every night, I keep looking at the sky, and I'll pray that someday you will wake up in my arms, and love will never end. We belong together, always and forever. Call my name and I'll be there. Gulo, di ba? Hindi ako naguguluhan eh. Practice mo lang yun. Tandaan mo yung chords. Okay? Ulitin natin ha. Isa-isayin ko. 'Cause ulitin. 'Cause every day, C, every night, okay? I keep looking, F, at the sky, G, and I'll pray, E minor, that someday, A minor, you will wake up, D minor, in my arms, E. Diba? We belong, D minor, together, E minor, always in F, forever, E minor, call my name, D minor, and I'll be G, E, there, C. Okay? Tapos ka sa C. Tapos may ano dun, di ba? Instrumental. Di ba nagtapos ka sa C? Yung intro natin, di ba, C, F, D kanina? Tutuloy mo yun. C, F, G. Dalawang beses ba yun? Ewan ko. Tutuloy mo ulit. C, F, G. Okay? Yung sa ano, second verse, pareho lang nung sa pareho lang nung sa first verse. Try natin. Okay. Spending my days and nights just thinking of you. How you make me wanna smile with the things that you do. When will I hear you say love's coming on your way, and that you start to feel the same. Tapos chorus. 'Cause every day, every night, ulit. I keep looking at the sky, and I pray that someday you will wake up, ulit. In my arms, and love will never end. We belong together, always and forever. D minor. Call my name and I'll be there. Okay? Got it? Yun na, tapos na. Tapos di ba may ano doon? Yung pangalawang chorus, yung mataas. Tapos na ako. Yung mataas, ano, yung chords kasi nun medyo mahirap. May pa bar chords na eh. Hanggang doon na lang. Ha? Okay? Pag gusto mong malaman, sabihin mo sa akin. Tuturo ko rin sa'yo. Okay? Kasi, pero hindi ko pa alam yung chords. Kasi hindi ko na pinansin eh. Okay? Yun na. Ulit-ulit lang. Dali, diba? Friends, yung sa ano, yung sa strumming naman, kung gusto mo, yung sa intro at verse, at saka chorus, yung down lang. Puro down lang. Yung parang ginawa ko kanina. First time I laid my eyes on someone like you. Yan, puro down lang. Tapos pag chorus, 'cause every day, every night, I keep looking at the sky. Ganun. Pero kung gusto mo, strumming mo siya doon. Ganito yung strumming niya. 'Cause every day, every night, I keep looking at the sky. Down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Okay? Gets mo? Down, 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 up, down, down. My arms and love will never end. We belong together, always and forever. Call my name and I'll be there. Dun sa ano nga pala, instrumental, French. Diba? Call my name and I'll be there. babad. Down, down, up, up, down, up, C. F, G. Tapos start ko ng second verse. Spending my days and nights thinking of you. Gets mo? Yung sa babad, ganito yun. Diba sa G, diba? Spending my day, spending down, up, down, up, C. G, down, up, down, up. Down. Yung sa babad down, up, down, up. Okay? Ganun. Tapos, when will I hear you say, love's coming on your way, and that you start to feel the same every day. Ganun lang. Ulit lang yun. Okay. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye na. Pag may gusto ka ulit malaman, na kanta, di mo ulit sa akin explain ko ulit sa'yo ng explain ko sa'yo ng Tagalog ulit. Stig, diba? Sige na. Bye-bye na. Pause na ako. Bye-bye. Miss you.